area of your body, you open a new chapter of your life. The past chapter is healed, forgiven, released, let go of, understood. You choose to learn life's lessons in a less painful way. In this place, you replace all of that misery and imbalance with happiness, joy, comfort, ease, tranquility. In this place, you thrive, succeed, and break through. You now are the unstoppable force. You live and love and laugh and enjoy yourself. All things of a lower vibration, including people that no longer need to be there, you now forgive, release, and move on. But beyond all those things, you forgive and release yourself into your very best. Like a tremendous relief of an as you exhale. So as you do it right now, which you just did, you're feeling absolutely wonderful and truly amazing. All connections in your heart, all connections in your mind, as my hand warms up on your back, are unhooking you like fish hooks being removed from flesh of any kind. The connections severed, the chains are broken, you are released, the ropes are dissolved and burned. Nod your head yes, you are done, you are finished, you rise above. Lovingly, you provide for yourself in the very best of ways. On the count of 3, you're back to this room. You've had a 9-hour nap, 7-hour back and foot rub. My red pencil is the funniest thing I ever saw. Anytime you need to reinforce this or remember it, you look at the red pencil and laugh. 1, 2, 3, wide awake, feeling absolutely wonderful. Open your eyes now, blink, blink, blink. Red pencil, funny, 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 funny. There you go. Round of applause for her.